What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can purchase stocks from the United States from Trinidad. Now guys, I'm a Jamaican. This tutorial was done using my Jamaican information. However, you can do the same thing from Trinidad. Just follow the step-by-step guide and you'll be able to successfully open your account. Now, if you're looking to learn more about the stock market, I have a course on Udemy. You can check it out. The link will be in the description of this video. So in today's video, we're going to be using interactive brokers. So with that said, let's get right into this video. So to get started, you want to go to interactivebrokers.com. The link will be in the description below. Now once you're there, select open account and select start an application. If you did not finish your application, then you could select finish an application to resume where you left off, right? So we're going to select start application. Now if you're using the mobile app, the steps are pretty much the same, it's just that you're on a smaller screen. From the drop down, you're going to select your country, right? So because I'm a Jamaican, I have Jamaican documents, I'm going to say Jamaica. However, for Trinidadians, you just type Trini, right? And you see Trinidad comes up, right? So I'm going to select Jamaica. Then select create accounts. You want to keep track of your username and your password. You can go ahead and confirm your email or you can do that later, right? Now the next step is to select your account type. You can do an individual account or a joint account. Select which best applies to you. Here you can see that you can do even a trust account, advisors account. These are mainly for professionals though, and institutions. So for example, if in your country they're allowing you to purchase stocks in the United States, chances are they're doing it through interactive brokers and they're going to charge you extra fees, right? So it's better you do it directly on interactive brokers yourself. So let's minimize this. Now let's scroll down and select start application. So I'm just going to select confirm email address here to get this off my screen. So my email address has been confirmed. Choose your salutation, complete your first and last name, complete your address, ensure that the address you're going to use, you have like a utility bill in your name to upload as proof of address, right? So from the drop down, it was able to detect my address. Scroll down. For the zip code, if you do not use zip code, you can specify 5 zeros. Then here, you select what best applies to you. Then you want to select your mobile type, your location and phone number. This is required. Then scroll down to personal information. Here, you're going to provide your date of birth, your marital status, number of dependency, your tax residency, and your tax identification number. This is any number that you use to collect taxes in your country, right? So for Jamaicans, it would be like their TRN. So once you have completed your personal information, then you're going to scroll down to the identification section, select the country where it was issued, select the document type. You can choose from driver's license, national ID, or passport, right? So I'm going to go with driver's license. So this information is made up, guys, right? Because this is just a demo application, but you should get the idea. So here you want to select your employment type. Select what best applies to you. I'm going to say employed. Are you or anyone in your immediate family member is employed with a broker, dealer, investment advisor? Here I'm going to go with no. What's the nature of your business? Let's say computer science and information technology. And then you're going to select one application. They're not going to ask you to verify this, by the way. Then for the source of wealth, select what best applies to you. So here, income from employment is selected by default. Scroll down. For your account information, you can choose different currencies which you want to open your account. I'm going to keep the default as US dollars. I hope one day BRICS gets here. Here, you're going to choose your security questions, right? In what city were you married? So I'm just going to say test city. Choose a question 2. What is the name of your boyfriend or girlfriend? And then choose question 3. What was the name of your childhood nickname? And then you will select continue once you answer all the questions. Also, it's now asking me for employer information, right? So now you need to specify the employment information. So here I'm just going to say YouTube. And guys, remember, this is just demo information. Once you complete the work information, then you scroll down again and select continue. So you can look out for a confirmation code which was sent to your mobile phone. you can confirm that at a later date. So you have three types of account. You have margin and cash. Typically, you can go with a cash account because chances are, if you're just getting started with investment, for the margin account, you may need about 20k in your account. So now here is where you want to ensure that you put in a good estimate, because if you put in too much money, they will ask you to verify your income, right? So let's say annual net income is less than 40,000 to 45. This is a good bracket to go with. They're not going to ask you to verify this, right? What's your net worth in USD? Then you can say 5,000 to 20k. What's your liquid net worth? Then you can say again 5,000 to 20k. They're not going to ask you to verify this information. Now your investment objectives and intended purpose of trading. What do you want? Do you want capital preservation? Do you want growth, or you just want to hedge, or profits from active trading and speculation? Here you can select multiple, it doesn't matter. Scroll down for your trading experience and permissions. By default, stocks is selected. If you want to purchase things like bonds, then from the drop down, then you can select bonds. However, you don't have to do this now. You can enable this at a later date, right? So let's scroll down. Let's continue to scroll down. How did you hear about us? Scroll down and say banner or social media, then select continue. Alright, so I need to go back and add my experience. So let's go back. Alright, so under the stock section, I needed to select my experience. So you want to put about 3 years of experience. It doesn't matter if you have less, right? Because they will not pass your application some of the time. Then select trades per here, you can say 11 to 25, and select knowledge. You can select good knowledge, right? Now we should be able to continue to the next section. On this page, you want to confirm your tax residence. Now this is very important. Treaty benefits qualification, right? Chances are there is a treaty between your country and the United States, but you want to validate that because that will reduce the number of taxes you pay on your dividends, right? So here I'm going to say I certify that I am a resident of a country below within the meaning of the tax income treaty between the United States and that country, right? So if I search Trinidad, I see Trinidad coming up. So I'm going to select Jamaica. Then scroll down, agree to these stuff, because if you don't agree anyways, you're not going to continue. And then you sign using your full name. Then you select next. Now this is just a summary of the application. So you can click agree to all and then scroll down and sign the application again. Then select continue. So here they're setting up my account and they're going to ask you to provide additional information. So this is pretty much expected. So select continue to application. Now you don't have to fund your account immediately. You can actually wait until your account is verified. So you're going to confirm your phone number, upload a document to verify your address, and this is optional. So these are the 3 main things that you need to do. Again, you don't have to worry about funding your account immediately. They will still approve it once you provide these 2 pieces of information. Now, in order to fund your account, you will need to fund your account using wire transfer. If you have a Wise account, you can use Wise to fund your account as well. I'll leave link to videos in the description below and how you can fund your account. For funding your account using the wire transfer method, I utilized NCB, which is a Jamaican bank. However, once you watch that video, you'll get an idea of how to do it from Trinidad. So in this portion of the video, I'll be sharing to you how you can purchase stocks using interactive brokers. So you may have downloaded the mobile app or you are using the website. The steps is pretty much the same. In the mobile app, what you want to look for is trade. So if you're using an iPhone, it will be at the bottom of the screen. So select trade. Here I'm going to select login with trading and market data. And then you're going to search for the stock that you want to purchase. So for example, I'm going to go with Apple, right? So I'm going to select Apple, select stock. Here it's asking for quantity. Now, interactive brokers allows you to purchase fractional shares. So you don't have to have the money for an entire share. So in your mobile app, what you're going to do, and on the website, select USD, right? And then from the mobile app, it will show you, say, a range, say down to as low as $500. So you're going to select $500, and then you can come back and change the quantity to like say $10, right? And then for the order type, I typically go with market, so it's executed at the next available stock price. For time forcing, you can set it to good until cancel, right? However, once you're doing market price, it's gonna typically get executed in the same day, and then you select submit by order. However, I do not have sufficient money on this account right now to complete this transaction, but you get the general idea. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and share this video with a friend, right? So see you in the next video.